Yes, yes, it's starting. My favorite cartoon show. Ha 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 ha.
No way. It's time for my drama series. Move over, Alex.
Oh no!
Oh no! Mine, mine, mine. Wah 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 wah.
Give it to me. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Ha 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 ha. My cartoons win. Cartoons, cartoons, cartoons.
No way. Drama is better. Drama, drama. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See? Now the TV is broken. This is all your fault, Alex.
What? Ha ha ha. Not my fault. Yours, yours, yours.
What is going on here? Why is the TV off and why are you two yelling like crazy?
Let me guess, fighting over the remote. Again.
It's her fault. She wanted drama shows.
No, it's his fault. He only wants cartoons, cartoons, cartoons.
Your fault. Your fault. Your fault.
All right, enough. If you two keep fighting, we'll just turn off the TV forever.
No, not forever.
How about this? Instead of TV, we'll do something much better today.
Better than TV? What is it? Tell me, tell me, tell me.
Candy? A new video game? A puppy? Yay, 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 yay.
Nope. We're all going to the amusement park today.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Best day ever.
No way. The amusement park? Ha 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 ha, this is crazy.
All right, all right. Go get ready. We're leaving in 10 minutes.
Yay, 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 yay. Amusement park. Yaw, 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 yaw. Wow, wow. Look at the roller coaster. And the carousel. Yay, 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 yay.
Attention, passengers. Welcome to the land of fun. First stop, the swings.
Yaw, yaw, yaw. Swings. Swings. Let's go, Leah.
You two go play. We'll grab some cotton candy.
Stay together and don't cause trouble.
Leah. Alex. Over here.
Anna. You're here too. Yay, 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 yay.
Now it's three of us. Triple fun. Ha 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 ha.
Let's go. Let's play that ball toss game. Whoever wins will get that teddy bear.
Deal. But just so you know, I never lose.
Challenge accepted. Yaw, yaw, yaw.
Ha 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 ha. What a cute little team. A crybaby, a bossy girl, and a weakling friend.
Baby boy, you need two sisters to protect you now? Wah, 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 wah.
I've uploaded it already. Please check.
Ow! Oh no! Stop it. That hurt.
Hey, leave him alone. What's wrong with you?
Oops, his toy is gone. Ha 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 ha.
I am calling Mom and Dad. They'll come right now.
Enough. You two crossed the line. Don't ever touch my brother again.
Or what? You'll fight us? Let's see what you've got, drama queen.
Dad, come quick. We're at the arcade. Bullies are hurting us.
Stay where you are, Alex. We're coming right now.
Hello? Police? Come to the amusement park. Two bullies are attacking my friends.
Calm down, young lady. Tell me your location again.
The amusement park. Near the arcade area. Please hurry.
Copy that. Two bullies assaulting kids at the amusement park. We need a unit there immediately.
Team, move out. We've got kids in danger.
Team, move out. We've got kids in danger.
Everyone step back. What happened here?
Officer, those two bullies attacked Alex. Liya was just protecting her brother.
That's not true. She attacked us first.
Look, she hurt me. We're the victims.
Is this true, young lady? Did you hit them?
Yes, but only because they hurt my brother. I had no choice.
All right. All of you will come with us to the station. We'll sort this out there.
No. Don't take my sister. Please.
Alex, don't cry. I'll be okay.
Fighting in public is a serious matter. Even if you were protecting someone, you cannot use violence.
I just wanted to protect Alex. Please, don't punish me.
Haha, looks like she's in trouble too.
Alex, are you okay? Where's Liya?
They arrested her. The police took Leah away.
Anna, tell us everything. What happened here?
The bullies attacked Alex. Liya tried to protect him, but then the police came and they took all of them, even Liya. We can't waste time. We need to go to the police station right now.
Yes. Let's bring our daughter home.
Sis, we're here. Mom and Dad will bring you home.
Oh, my poor girl, you were so brave, but so reckless.
Officer, we'll take responsibility. Please let her go. She was just defending her brother.
Very well. Since there are witnesses, we'll release her this time. But no more fighting, understood?
Yes, sir. I promise.
Sis, you're finally home. Yay, 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 yay.
I told you, Alex, nothing can break us apart. Ha ha ha.
Liya, you were like a superhero out there. Boom. Pow. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Take that, bully. Pow, pow, pow. Ha, 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 ha.
Liya, we're proud of you. You protected your brother with all your heart.
But next time, maybe less fighting and more talking, okay? Ha ha ha.
Deal. But if anyone dares to touch Alex again. How? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Team
Team
Liya
Leah
forever.
forever. Yay,
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 yay, yay.
yay.